Well, I thought I'd try to fix my old phone. I had an iPhone 6S and the battery was shot. I bought a new phone last fall, a new iPhone 13, but I thought I'd keep this one around just in case the other one went on the blink or we had company that needed a phone. So I thought I'd just put a new battery in it. The old battery only lasted, about 6 hours if you didn't use the phone, so it was definitely shot. Other than that, the phone looked like new. I'd always kept it in a case. This is the first time I've ever attempted something like this, and it was a little bit of a learning curve, but there's lots of good videos online, so it was pretty easy to get some advice and see exactly how to take these things apart and what to do. So I ordered a battery swap kit from Amazon, and that arrived here today, so I thought I'd attempt putting the battery in the phone. I struggled a bit with the battery getting it out. You're supposed to be able to pull the tape that holds the battery in, slide those off, and the battery's supposed to pop off, but boy, it didn't work out that easily. And I ended up kinking the battery, and so I ended up taking it outside. It got warmer and warmer. I was worried it was going to catch fire, and I threw it into the snowbank and on my gravel pad, just in case. I didn't want it in the garbage or someplace laying around in case it did catch fire. And it took a bit of work to clean the case up. There's that adhesive that seals the screen onto the case, and that's a bit sticky, but it wasn't too bad. It just takes a bit of patience. So I popped the new battery in, hooked it back up, and there's lots of little screws here to put back in. This is probably the hardest part, I would think, is putting all these little screws in and making sure you didn't lose one, because if it hit the floor, I don't know if I'd ever find it again. I plugged the screen and the camera back up at the top and turned the phone on, and voila, it actually worked. It worked! So I was quite happy. So I finished fastening everything back down inside and clamped the case down. And voila, iPhone is done, and it seems to be working just fine.